Hi guys, I'll be welcoming you back to my channel. My name is Samira. We all need to work hard to remain focused and humble. So today's class is on how to cut and sew a stylish basket waistline dress. So I'll be using black and pink Duchess fabric. Hello, subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, or you can request for a video. You can also turn notification bell to get to see my next video upload. Cut along with me guys, let's dive in. This is the upper part, which is the black fabric. This is what I'm going to use for the basket waistline. So I'm going to go ahead to mark my zipper side by 1 inch. So my zipper is by 1 inch, the allowance is by 1 inch. Then I'm going to remove 5 inches from my tape to get my length measurements by 17 inches. So that's the 17 inches for the length measurement. So I'll be marking 3.5 inches for the neck. I'll go down by 2 inches and it's going to have V shape. Then I'm going to use my ruler to connect the lines together for the neckline that is having V shape. My armhole is by 1 inch. On my armhole line, that's where I'm going to get my bust measurement, which is by 34 inches. Then I'm going to divide it by 4. So I have 8.5 inches, adding 1.5 inch for my sewing allowance. The waist measurement will be divided by 4. So 26 divided by 4. So it's going to give me 6.5 inches, adding 1.5 inch for my sewing allowance. After that, I'm going to connect the marks together. So I'll be covering my armhole now. The back neck line depth is by 1 inch and it's going to have round neck at the back. So the upper side has a basket effect. So I'm going to place my tape like this. I'm going to mark 4 inches. Then I'm going to use my ruler to give that V shape that is going to have at the waistline area. That is the basket waistline. Don't forget the measurement that I took was 4 inches. So I want you to keep on watching this video and don't forget to share and like, and you can also turn notification bell also to get notified to see my next sewing tutorial. And guys, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel now. I really want you to pay attention to this tutorial because it's going to help you. No knowledge is lost. So after cutting these parts, I'm going to head over to stitch it together. So I'm still cutting the upper part of our top that we are making, that is the upper part. Then we are going to also attach the gathers at the waistline to extend the length of the dress that we are making. So this is the upper part, which is the top part of the dress that we are making today. It's a trendy style, and guys, don't forget I'm making use of Duchess fabric. The black piece is Duchess fabric and the down part also is Duchess fabric. So the color is black and pink that we are using. You can also use any color of your choice to achieve your own too. I'll be joining my measurements now. This time we are going to divide it by 2. My bust divided by 2, that is 34 divided by 2. So I'm having 17 inches. That is what I'm going to mark. So that's the 17 inches that I'm marking for my bust measurements. So after dividing it by 2, I'm having 17 inches. I will also come to my waist measurement, 26 divided by 2. So I'm having 13 inches. So I'm going to mark 13 inches. So why we are dividing it by 2 is because we are joining our body parts together. So when you join your body parts, you need to divide them by 2. So after that, I'm going to connect the lines together, and that's how I'm going to stitch. I'm going to stitch on the line. So that's the connection, and that's how I'm going to stitch it when stitching it together. So guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. You can also share it too. The pink fabric is for the gathers, the down part of the dress. So I'll be subtracting the upper side that I have already cut out to get the length, which is by 36 inches. So after that, I'll be running my stitch by ½ inch to gather it out. Okay, so just keep on watching. So I've done that, so I'll be drawing the thread so that my gathers can come out well. You can see how simple it is. I have a similar tutorial on this channel. You can also check it. So this is what I have. So I have my gathers ready. So the dress is going to have a bow tie. I'll be cutting the bow tie together. So first I'm going to fold it like this, as you can see me doing the video. So when making your own should look like this. The width is by 3 inches. So I folded it by 3 inches, while the length is by 5 inches. So after that, I'm going to cut it out, then I'm going to iron it, then I'm going to stitch it. So guys, don't forget to share this tutorial. I want you to comment. You can drop it in the comment section, and if you have any question concerning this tutorial, you can also ask me. You can drop it in the comment section below. I'm going to respond to your question, and you can like this tutorial so that other people can see this video and watch also. So I'll be teaching you guys how to pin the gathers around the waistline. So I'm going to start it from the zipper side. So this is how I'm going to also stitch it. I'm going to continue pinning it around the waist area of my upper parts. So the gather is going to serve as the length. It's going to extend the length of the dress that we are making today. I hope you are enjoying this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. This is what I have after stitching my gathers together. So I'll be fixing my sleeve now. So I'm going to fix it around my armhole area with my pin first before stitching it, before heading over to the machine to stitch it well. So this is what I have now after stitching it. So I'll be pinning my bow tie now. This is how to pin it. So I'm going to pin it where one can see it. So this is how to go about it when making your own. This is the outcome of my simple basket waistline dress with bow tie. I hope it was helpful to you. One thing is to learn, another thing is to practice what you are learning. Remember, I'm your big sis. Please subscribe, share, like and comment. You can also turn notification bell to get to see my next video upload that will be coming up on my YouTube channel. I love you all. You guys are the best. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye. I will see you again.